Hey there, Social Blade fans, welcome back for another video. In order to currently track your Instagram stats at socialblade.com, you're going to have to switch your Instagram account over to a business account type. Let's get started on showing you how to do so. Load up Instagram and head on over to your profile page. Then click the three lines in the top right, and at the bottom you should see Settings. Scroll down until you see Switch to a business account and choose that. At the bottom, click Continue, and you should be prompted to choose a category. In many cases, you might have to choose a second category or subcategory as well. Input your email address and then click Next. Here, you're going to want to connect it to a Facebook page. So we're going to choose the page, or we can create a new one. It's important not to click Skip at the bottom for any of these steps. Here, you'll be requested to sign into your Facebook account, which will link it to Instagram. If you get this message here, click Continue. At this step, you'll see multiple Facebook pages that you might be managing or own yourself. Now, if you don't see the one that you'll want, you can create a new one. Just simply go down here. After the information is put in, click Done. What this is doing is creating a Facebook page for you. It'll allow you to actually send all of the Instagram posts and whatnot over to that Facebook page. If done correctly, you'll get this confirmation pop-up. You can even go to your profile, and now if you want to confirm, you can see you have insights here. More so, you can go into the settings, and you'll get many more settings here that you can choose from, as well as the ability, if you choose to do so, switch back to a personal account. At this point, you should have no problem going to socialblade.com and putting in your Instagram name to find your stats. If you do, however, run into any issues at all, feel free to contact support.socialblade.com. It's always linked at the bottom right of socialblade.com.